Registering for a WirelineMaster free account is a straightforward process. Press Get Started button or register in the top right corner. You can register with either your Google account or email and password. Once the registration is complete, you can start creating, storing, and printing pressure control equipment and toolstring diagrams. If you prefer to register with email and password, you must verify your email by clicking the link sent to your email account. To create pressure control equipment diagram, select PCE tab and press plus button. Open Settings sidebar to set units and vertical grid. You can search pressure control components by typing in the left search field. To create pressure control equipment schematic, simply drag and drop items into the diagram. You can change the length, minimum ID, connection and item description in the corresponding fields. To save a pressure control equipment setup, enter a name and press Save button. The setup gets stored in the cloud database and appears in the list of diagrams. Double-click to open the diagram or select from a drop-down menu. Now you can mark a diagram as frequently used by pressing a bookmark icon. You can modify and save the existing pressure control schematic. You can easily create a copy by changing the diagram name and pressing Save button. To remove a diagram, select from the corresponding drop-down menu and press Delete. The dropped items get added to the bottom of a stack. You can easily position the items in the right order by dragging the image. To switch between light and dark mode, press icon on the top right corner. To print pressure control schematic, press Print icon button from the menu. You can send the image to a printer or save as PDF file. To create a custom PCE component, press plus button on the top right and fill the form. You can select the color tag and enter component parameters. Press Save button and component gets added to a PCE inventory list. To switch between default PCE components and custom inventory, press drop-down menu. Now you can save time creating pressure control diagrams using existing inventory. Press Save and PCE is stored in the database. The user can change the color tag to set the item status. You can also filter PCE inventory list by a color tag. For inventory management purposes, you can export the inventory list as comma-separated values. Finally, you can store all commonly used PCE setups, add them to a field report, or share with a client prior to well intervention. Likewise, user can create toolstring diagrams. You can select from the default list of downhole tools and change the item parameters. Enter toolstring name and press Save. You can easily modify toolstring configuration and change downhole tools. Change toolstring name, press Save, a new diagram is added to the database. Same as with PCE schematic, you can print the toolstring or export as PDF file. To create a custom inventory, select a default tool and press plus icon. Fill the form. And press Save. Now you can boost your productivity by using predefined toolstring diagrams. By updating the color tag, the engineer can check the tool status prior to running in the well.